I love them girls, but first I wanna know what her name is.
Bangs.
Girl, what's up? I met you in the club. Next thing I know, you was naked in my tub. Your panties over there, your bra over there. I swear to God, I tell that pussy, get up over here. Like I am Scorpion, no Mortal Kombat. But I swear to God, she get that dick and come back. Call me Mr. Comeback. Come back, Shawn Michaels. Swear to God, I hope the little woman got Geico. We busting out her windows, now we in the car. I say, bitch, where you going? She say, I forgot my bra. I tell her, goddamn, bitch, here come your man.
Damn.
All I wanna know, girl, what your name is. I see them other niggas, they be on that lame shit. And I can take care of you and them girls you came with. But first you gotta tell me what your fucking name is. What your name is, girl, what your name is. What your name is, what your fucking name is. What your name is, tell me what your name is. And I am so cooler than them dudes you came with. And I heard more bitches, more problems. Well, I'm in school, so I figure I can solve them. Say she hungry for that dick, say that girl starving. So I feed her, keep her ass full till tomorrow. Go to my new girl, let that girl borrow my dick. Now my girlfriend at home, a lot of sorrow. Me up on her mind, I say I'm on my grind. I'm in the studio, girl, can you give me time? Just let me do this shit. Let me chop it up and let me screw this shit. I say, let me do this shit. Chop it up and let me screw you, and all I wanna know, girl, what your name is. I see them other niggas, they be on that lame shit. And I can take care of you and them girls you came with. But first you gotta tell me what your fucking name is.
What the fuck are you doing? That is the question. Come a little bit closer, I want to teach you a lesson. You, my friend, my buddy, my pal, I think it's time you get the truth now. What up, everybody? It's H.O.P. Please simmer down, go and take your seat, cause there ain't no peace. I seen a lot of motherfuckers who went to the contest and they so weak. A small percentage of niggas started off sounding okay, but then it never remained no beat. I'm telling you right now, if you already went and submitted in it, then you ain't gonna make no cheese. Sorry, bro, hate to bust your bubble. Put the mic down, go the fuck home, cuddle. I spot rappers out and creep up so subtle, then they yell, uh-oh, I don't want no trouble. Come journey into my cutthroat jungle, where I leave rappers and sluts so puzzled. If you didn't notice, I'm loaded with heavy artillery, nigga, I can fuck around and crush your hustle. Yeah, alright, I party all night. I got bitches on my dick, they say they love me all the time. And I still sound very fly even when I don't even try. This here is my new jump off, I call it suicide. None of you niggas is about to prosper. You want more bullshit than Waka Flocka. Don't cry to me cause I'm not your papa. I'm as hot as lava, 2012 I'ma stop the drama. Oh yeah, I know I be yapping a lot, maybe cause I got the fattest of cocks. I'm me, you should be mad that you not. Now sit and wait for Knock Madness to drop.
Boy got flames and he ain't playing around no more. I say, whoa. Boy got flames and he ain't playing around no more.
Get ready for Knock Madness. Get your ass ready for Knock Madness. Come on, get ready for Knock Madness. Yeah, get ready for